Having unity in the parenting team is really, really important. It makes a difference in how I function as an individual parent, as well as how we function together, okay? So in a biological two-parent home, basically you're working together and your marriage supports the parenting and vice versa. The parenting supports the marriage. Now, sometimes you disagree as parents, but because you're married, that makes it easier for you to work through that. In a single-parent home, there's another home over there, and you have to figure out how to cooperate across households. And so that gets more difficult because you've got a history. And then in a blended family home, you add a step-parent, and maybe the other home has a step-parent. And now you have a lot more characters on the parenting team, and you have a lot more cooperation to do in this household, and then between households. No matter what kind of family type you have, unity in parenting is still very important. Remember it this way: united, you stand, but divided, they fall. It's our kids who suffer for our lack of harmony.